Case study tracing a missing mechanical engineer. Kassel client background. A UK-based engineering firm contacted Bond Rees to trace a missing mechanical engineer who had been sent to Kassel, Germany to oversee the installation of advanced automation systems in a manufacturing plant. Kassel, located in the state of Hesse, is a centre for mechanical engineering and industrial innovation. The engineer was responsible for ensuring the successful integration of new machinery designed to enhance the efficiency of the production line. After missing key project meetings and failing to respond to communications, the firm became increasingly concerned about the engineer's safety and the project's progress. The investigation, Bond Rees, gathered all relevant details about the engineer's recent activities, communications, and accommodations. The engineer had been staying near the city centre, close to Kassel's industrial zones and business areas. The last known communication from the engineer was an email confirming a site visit to a manufacturing plant located in the Waldau district, an area known for its industrial facilities and engineering firms, digital footprint and local contacts. Our digital forensics team analysed the engineer's phone records, GPS data and recent financial transactions. The last known GPS signal placed the engineer near the manufacturing plant in Waldau, but no further communication occurred after that. Bond Rees reached out to plant employees, hotel staff and business contacts to gather additional information. Witnesses confirmed that the engineer had attended the site inspection but had not returned to their hotel or attended any scheduled follow-up meetings. On-the-ground investigation in Kassel. Bond Rees dispatched local investigators to Kassel, focusing on the industrial areas surrounding Waldau, key transportation routes and the engineer's accommodation. Investigators reviewed CCTV footage from the manufacturing plant and surrounding areas to trace the engineer's movements. After following several leads, our team discovered that the engineer had travelled to a warehouse connected to the plant to inspect newly delivered components for the automation system. Further investigation revealed that the engineer had suffered a medical emergency while inspecting the equipment in a remote section of the warehouse. The engineer had collapsed from exhaustion and dehydration after working long hours without adequate rest. The warehouse staff eventually found the engineer, but communication with the firm was delayed due to the engineer's incapacitated state and a lack of identification on hand. Outcome: Bond Rees quickly located the engineer and confirmed their condition, providing this crucial information to the engineering firm in London. After receiving medical treatment and rest, the engineer was able to recover and return to work, ensuring that the installation of the automation systems continued without significant delays. Why Bond Rees? This case demonstrated Bond Rees' expertise in managing investigations in industrial cities like Kassel, where large-scale engineering projects require precision and timely coordination. By combining advanced digital forensics, local knowledge of the manufacturing sector, and efficient on-the-ground search efforts, Bond Rees ensured the safe and swift recovery of the missing mechanical engineer, allowing the firm's project to move forward with minimal disruption.